Hi everyone, this is Dee with Real Journal Talk, and welcome to my channel. So if you are a returning subscriber, thank you for returning. If you are new, thank you for stopping in to check on to review this channel. I do appreciate your support, and I hope you consider clicking that subscribe button. So in this video, it's going to be very short, and when I say short, it's going to be short. This is actually going to be a cash stuffing savings challenge that I'm doing. If you watched my monthly budget video, I am on a journey to try to replace $1,504.52 from one of my savings accounts that I used last year to replace, to repair a vehicle. So, with no further ado, I am, if you can see, hopefully you can, I am using this savings tracker in my budget planner, and I am going to be working towards bringing this $3,000 and something back up to the $5,000 it should be, which means I need to have this $1,504 replaced by the end of the year. Because I get paid bi-weekly, the goal is to try to put as much that I can in every time when I get paid. If I receive some extra monies, then I'll just make additional payments, deposits. So let's get started. So today is, hopefully you guys can see this. Let's see. So today is 13th, and I am depositing $60. I'm not withdrawing anything, and so with that being said, the $3,495.48 should bring me to $3,555.48. And I have a tracker that I use, as well as this savings jar. So I haven't decided yet how I'm going to do this, since I get paid bi-weekly, and I'm going to be doing 2 deposits or 3, depends on the month. But I decided so far I'll just do half of the coloring in the bar, and then fill in the remaining once I am able to see what I am able to deposit the next time. So I did 60 for this part, and it brought me to $3,555.48. Do that to the side. And so I am going to be using my binder with my cash envelopes that I had purchased a couple of years ago. I'm bringing this back out just because I'm trying to work on these different challenges to replace or to save. So I'm going to be using this envelope to save any monies that I can to replace these funds versus keeping it in my bank account, because what I have noticed is because my savings account is linked to my checking account, if for some reason funds need to be moved over, then funds will cross over from my savings to my checking, and I don't really want that to happen when I'm trying to work on a goal. So that's the reason why I'm going to be using this, and that's enough babbling. Let me go ahead and stuff this envelope. So we have 20, 40, 60. And that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed this quick video of my cash stuffing for my replacement challenge fund. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks. Bye.